Namaste everyone. Let us discuss a very interesting question. The question is, which of the following is smallest? You have root 10 minus root 5, root 19 minus root 14, root 22 minus root 17 and root 8 minus root 3. Now if you observe carefully, here you will find that difference of 10 and 5 is 5, difference of 19 and 14 is again 5, difference of 22 and 17 is again 5 and difference of 8 and 3 is also 5. So what we will do, okay, it is difficult to find square root of 10 and square root of 5, so by subtraction it is little difficult, so we have to use some other method. So what I will do, I will write this difference 5 as this difference 5 can be written as what we do, we can write this as root 10 the whole square minus root 5 the whole square. Fine. So I have 5 is equals to, here I will say that this is root 10 a square minus b square, you can write as a plus b into a minus b. So root 10 minus root 5. Okay. So from here I will get the value of root 10 minus root 5. So the value of root 10 minus root 5 is 5 upon root 10 plus root 5. This is the value of root 10 minus root 5. I will say that this is equation 1. Okay. In the same way, I will say that also 5 is equals to, I can say this 5 is equals to root 19 the whole square minus root 14 the whole square. So this will become root 19 plus root 14 in one bracket and root 19 minus root 14 in other bracket. So I have 5 is equals to root 19 plus root 14 into root 19 minus root 14. So therefore again I have root 19 minus root 14 as 5 upon root 19 plus root 14. This I will consider as equation 2. Similarly, again I can say that 5 is equals to, or directly what I can say that similarly, we can say that similarly we have root 22 minus root 17. This we can write as 5 upon root 22 plus root 17. And last we have root 8 minus root 3. So I will say that root 8 minus root 3 is equals to 5 divided by root 8 plus root 3. This is fourth expression. Now if the denominator is a larger value, then its overall value is small. Say for example, if I say what is greater, 5 upon 10 or 5 upon 12. So what will be your answer? That 5 upon 10 will be larger as denominator is small. So where the denominator is small, there you have larger value. So 5 upon 2 it gives you 0.5, but 5 upon 12 it will give value less than 0.5. Now the question is, which of the following is smallest? So which one will be the smallest? Whose denominator will be the largest? So we have a denominator as root 10 plus root 5 here. Here we have root 19 plus root 14. Here we have root 22 plus root 17 and here we have root 8 plus root 3. So difference is difficult, but addition to we know that the sum of two greater number is greater. So this root 22 plus root 17 is the largest value in denominator. So I will say that root 22 minus root 17 is the smallest value, right? So Here root 22 minus root 17 is the smallest value. So I will say that from 1, 2, 3 and 4, from 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have root 22 minus root 17 is smallest. Yes, isn't this question very interesting, right? But I hope you understand that how to solve problems like this. Thank you.